Hello and welcome back. Got a video for you. It's been really cold here lately. So much snow that we got, so much so that we got a bunch of snow. And it's so cold that this isn't starting, and I've never had a problem with that. This didn't start, never had a problem with that. It's so cold that the batteries won't crank them over. Brand new batteries, still having problems. Even this car, which is a gas, which should have no problem, the batteries inside the car, that didn't want to start. Slow crank. So we're going to try to get them started here for you, a cold start. It was -15 last night. Yesterday the high was 0. Today it's about 5 degrees. So they've been, the Ford was driven yesterday actually. The Cummins has been 3 days on this one. We're also going to go over there and start up the old first gen, just so the batteries don't freeze, so they don't, they stay good. So stay tuned. So here we go with the first gen cold start. It's a little bit of wind, so you're going to have to bear with the wind noise. Pick it up. Alright, so as you probably saw, neither truck really has a big problem starting. I don't really know anything about the first gen, so the grid heater I think is kind of marginal. Might need a little bit of work looked at. But they both start way better than the Ford does. That I can say for sure. They got to be plugged in. Any of the Fords that I have. Kind of temperamental, that's why I kind of like the Dodge. They're just easy to start in the winter. But thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed. Alright, so this is actually the next day. I thought I'd add some 7.3 footage of it starting, the OBS, so that you guys can see what the comparison between a Dodge and a Ford is. So get that going right now. Alright, so that was 3 cycles of the glow plugs. It wasn't plugged in. I did drive it like yesterday at about midnight, and it's early this morning, and it's been cold. It's in the single digits at night, and it's still about that temperature right now. So that gives you a comparison. It didn't normally. It's worse than that. It doesn't start that easy, but it did this time. So that's why I say they're temperamental. I know the glow plugs work. They were just replaced, but that's just the nature of the Fords. Sometimes they start good, sometimes they don't.